Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add text and video in VN app. To start, open your VN application in your mobile device. Once you're here, create a new project. Then, choose any of your media coming in from your gallery. In here, once you've chosen the video, tap on the arrow on the bottom right. And then in here, you will now see the project timeline for your video. Now click on the T icon on the project timeline, then click on T or text. And then in here, you'll be able to choose any of the fonts available from VN app. Choose the one with your preference. Once you have chosen one, the text will now appear over at your canvas or project canvas. In here, you'll be able to edit, add effects, add gestures, and then everything else that you can do in a video edit for a text. Then, once done, tap on export on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.